Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. The evening sun is fading on the distant shoreline, and every golden color reminds me that you're mine. The gentle breeze is carrying your memory through the air, a feeling full of sweetness that follows everywhere. When I first saw you smile beneath the starlit sky, I knew there was a magic no words could justify. Since then you've been the rhythm that moves my soul along, the melody inside me, the inspiration for my song. Every dream I ever dreamed, every wish I've held so near, feels complete whenever I know you're here. Empress of my heart, shining bright for me, like a lighthouse in the darkness across the sea. With every reggae heartbeat and every harmony, Empress of my heart, you're my destiny. Empress of my heart, beautiful and true. Every road I travel leads me back to you. Wrapped inside your loving arms is where I want to be. Empress of my heart, eternally. The warm bass line is rolling underneath the moonlit glow, while lovers sway together to the rhythm, soft and slow. Your laughter sounds like music, floating gently on the breeze, bringing peace and happiness with effortless ease. The stars above bear witness to the promises we share, a bond that's built on honesty, affection, love, and care. No treasure in this world could ever take your place. Nothing compares to the comfort of your embrace. Every moment spent with you makes my heart believe anew that true love still exists in this world. Empress of my heart, shining bright for me, like a lighthouse in the darkness across the sea. With every reggae heartbeat and every harmony, Empress of my heart, you're my destiny. Let the one-drop rhythm guide us through the night, oh, rocking gently till we greet the morning light. Sweet harmonies surround us like the waves upon the shore, and every day together makes me love you more. Through every changing season, through every passing year, you'll always be the treasure that I hold most dear. Empress of my heart, brighter than the morning sun, the greatest chapter of my life has only just begun. With every loving whisper and every melody, Empress of my heart, you're my destiny. Empress flowing endlessly.
The moon hangs low above the sea tonight, casting silver dreams beneath its gentle light. I've traveled many roads and seen the seasons change, yet the way I feel for you remains the same. Sometimes the words get lost somewhere inside, and the deepest feelings become hard to hide. But every time you look into my eyes, you see the truth no matter what I try. Behind every smile I wear, beyond every hope and prayer, there's a love that's always been true. Inside my soul is where you'll find a love that's faithful through all time, like a melody carried on the ocean breeze. You bring my restless heart to ease. Inside my soul, your light still shines brighter than the stars that fill the night. With every reggae heartbeat and harmony, you're the sweetest part of me. The warm bass line rolls through the midnight air, while lovers dance together without a care. The sound system plays a song so sweet and slow, and memories of us begin to flow. Every promise that we made beneath the sky still lives within my heart and never dies. Though life may test us with its changing tide, our love remains a constant guiding light. Every dream I've ever known, every place I've ever roamed, leads me back to loving you. Inside my soul is where you'll find a love that's faithful through all time, like a melody carried on the ocean breeze. You bring my restless heart to ease. Inside my soul, your light still shines brighter than the stars that fill the night. With every reggae heartbeat and harmony, you're the sweetest part of me. Let the one-drop rhythm carry us away, rocking through the moonlight till the break of day. Sweet harmony surround us like a gentle summer rain, bringing peace and comfort time and time again. No matter where tomorrow leads, no matter what may come, the story written in my heart will always lead to one. Inside my soul is where you'll stay through every night and every day. With every loving whisper and every melody, you'll always mean the world to me. Inside my soul, forever true. Every dream begins and ends with you. With every reggae heartbeat and harmony, you're the sweetest part of me. Inside my soul, you'll always be the song my heart keeps singing for eternity.
The moon is rising softly over the ocean tonight, casting silver reflections in the gentle candlelight. I hold your hand and wonder how I ever lived before. Now every day beside you makes me love you even more. The warm breeze whispers secrets through the palm trees by the sea, and every little moment feels like destiny to me. The rhythm of your heartbeat moves in perfect time with mine, like a lover's melody that's written in the stars divine. Every dream I've ever known, every wish inside my soul finds its meaning in your love. You make my spirit whole. I'll give you all my love, every beat of my heart. From this moment forever, we'll never be apart. Like the sunshine after rain, you brighten all I see. I'll give you all my love eternally. I'll give you all my love beneath the stars above, wrapped inside the comfort of your endless love. With every reggae heartbeat and every harmony, I'll give you all my love completely. The bassline rolls gently through the cool and quiet air, while lovers sway together, celebrating what they share. Your laughter sounds like music drifting softly through the night, a melody of happiness that fills my world with light. Every promise that we've spoken feels stronger day by day, like roots beneath a mighty tree that never fade away. Through every changing season and every road we travel on, our love will keep on growing long after night is gone. When I look into your eyes, I can see tomorrow's skies filled with hope and endless possibilities. I'll give you all my love, every beat of my heart. From this moment forever, we'll never be apart. Like the sunshine after rain, you brighten all I see. I'll give you all my love eternally. Hey, yeah. Let the one drop of rhythm carry us into the night, rocking gently through the darkness till the morning light. Sweet harmonies surround us like the waves upon the shore, and every day together makes me love you more. No matter what tomorrow brings, no matter where we roam, as long as we're together, my heart has found its home. I'll give you all my love, stronger than before, a feeling that keeps growing more and more. With every loving whisper and every melody, I'll give you all my love endlessly. I'll give you all my love until the stars grow dim, through every chapter of our story yet to begin. With every reggae heartbeat and every harmony, I'll give you all my love eternally. All my love, forever true. All my love, every dream I dream begins and ends with you. and silver on the sea brings back tender memories of the way you smiled at me. The evening breeze is calling through the palm trees overhead, carrying sweet echoes of the loving words you said. The sound system's playing a gentle lover's groove, and every note reminds me of the way our hearts once moved. Though the night is calm and peaceful, there's a feeling deep inside that still remembers dancing with you by my side. Every star above me seems to know your name, and every dream I dream still feels the same. Moonlight and memories drifting through my soul like a sweet reggae melody that makes a broken heart feel whole. Moonlight and memories floating on the breeze, bringing back the sweetest moments of you and me. Moonlight and memories shining soft and bright, guiding me through every lonely night, with every reggae heartbeat and every harmony. Moonlight and memories, keep your love with me. The warm bass line is rolling like the waves upon the shore, and every passing moment makes me cherish you much more. I can still recall the laughter and the sparkle in your eyes, like a beautiful reflection beneath tropical skies. The rhythm gently carries all the feelings left behind, like pages from a love story written in my mind. And though time keeps moving onward like a river to the sea, the sweetest part of yesterday still lives inside of me. The music keeps reminding me of all we used to share, a love so warm and genuine, still floating in the air. Moonlight and memories drifting through my soul like a sweet reggae melody that makes a broken heart feel whole. Moonlight and memories floating on the breeze, bringing back the sweetest moments of you and me. Let the one-drop rhythm rock me through the night till the morning sun begins to shine. It's like sweet harmony surround me like the ocean's gentle tide, keeping every precious memory alive. No matter where life takes me or how the years may fly, some loves leave a melody that never says goodbye. Moonlight and memories shining like the stars above, holding every treasured piece of love, with every whispered breeze and every melody. Moonlight and memories stay with me. Moonlight and memories forever in my heart, a timeless song of love that never falls apart, with every reggae heartbeat and every harmony. Moonlight and memories live eternally. Moonlight and memories floating on the shining over the sea. I see the strength of generations living inside of me. From the stories of my elders to the dreams I'm holding now, there's a fire in my spirit that no one can put out. The rhythm of the drum beat echoes deep within my soul, like a river flowing onward, always reaching for its goal. And when we're standing together, hand in hand and side by side, there's a beauty in our journey and a power in our pride. Every step that we take, every dream that we share, carries the light of hope floating through the air. Wear your crown of glory high, let your spirit touch the sky. With every heartbeat, let the whole world see the beauty of your legacy. Wear your crown of glory bright, shining through the darkest night, with love and unity guiding the way we rise, stronger every day. The warm bass line is rolling like the ocean's gentle tide, while sweet harmonies remind us of the strength we hold inside. Every smile tells a story, every face reflects a dream, bound together by a history that's stronger than it seems. The stars above are watching as we dance beneath their glow, celebrating where we've come from and the places we will go. Through every challenge that we face and every mountain we must climb, we'll keep moving forward with courage in our minds. Every voice that sings, every heart that believes, plants a seed of hope for future generations to see. Wear your crown of glory high, let your spirit touch the sky. With every heartbeat, let the whole world see the beauty of your legacy. Yeah. Let the one drop rhythm carry us tonight, filling every corner with love and light. Hand in hand we'll keep on moving on, like the rising of the morning sun. No matter where the road may bend, no matter what may come, we'll stand together proudly, forever strong as one. Wear your crown of glory high, let your spirit touch the sky. With every heartbeat, let the whole world see the beauty of your legacy. Wear your crown of glory bright, shining through the darkest night. With every reggae heartbeat and every harmony, we'll celebrate our destiny. Crown of glory, shining bright, guided by love, guided by light. The music plays, the spirit stays, forever through the days. I was gazing at the evening sky as the daylight slipped away, thinking of the moments when your love first came my way. The stars began to sparkle like diamonds in the night. And every memory of you filled my heart with light. A gentle breeze was blowing through the palm trees by the sea, carrying sweet melodies and bringing you to me. The warmth of your affection still lingers in my soul, like a timeless reggae rhythm that keeps my spirit whole. Every road I've traveled, every dream I've known, leads me back to your loving arms. The sweetest place called home. Beyond the blue horizon, I can see our love shine bright, like a beacon in the distance, guiding me through the night. With every beat of my heart and every melody, beyond the blue horizon is where I long to be. Beyond the blue horizon, where our dreams can freely fly, wrapped in sweet devotion, beneath the starlit sky. With every reggae heartbeat and every harmony, beyond the blue horizon, it's you and me. The bassline rolls so softly underneath the moonlit air, and every note reminds me of the love we share. The sound system is playing while the dancers gently sway, lost within the sweetness of a lover's rock ballet. Your laughter is a blessing that brightens every day, like sunshine through the clouds that chases doubts away. No treasure could compare to the comfort that you bring. You turn the simplest moments into everything, like a song that never fades, like a river to the sea. My heart keeps finding its way back to where it's meant to be. Beyond the blue horizon, I can see our love shine bright, like a beacon in the distance, guiding me through the night. With every beat of my heart and every melody, beyond the blue horizon is where I long to be. Let the one-drop rhythm carry us away tonight, rocking gently through the darkness till the morning light. Sweet harmonies surround us like the ocean's gentle tide, and every dream feels possible with you here by my side. No matter where tomorrow leads, no matter where we roam, as long as we're together, my heart has found its home. Beyond the blue horizon, where the stars forever glow, our love will keep on growing, stronger than we'll ever know. With every loving whisper and every melody, beyond the blue horizon is our destiny. Beyond the blue horizon, where our hearts remain as one, shining through the seasons like the everlasting sun. With every reggae heartbeat and every harmony, beyond the blue horizon, forever you and me. Beyond the blue horizon, where love will always stay, we'll dance beneath the moonlight
till the break of day.
Night is warm, but something feels so cold inside. I see the distance growing every time you turn your eyes. The words you say sound sweet, but they don't ring true anymore. Like waves that gently reach the sand, then pull away from shore. I remember when your promises felt honest and sincere, when every whispered I love you was all I needed to hear. But lately there's a silence hidden underneath your smile, and I've been feeling something's wrong for quite a while. I tried to believe in every word you said, but my heart keeps telling me a different story instead. No more shadows standing between you and me. No more secrets hiding where love should be. If your heart is wandering, set my spirit free. No more shadows, let the truth come to me. No more shadows in the moonlight tonight. No more pretending that everything's alright. Though the truth may hurt, it's better than uncertainty. No more shadows between you and me. The bassline rolls softly through the midnight air, while memories of happier days linger everywhere. I still remember dancing close beneath the stars above, believing every heartbeat was a symbol of our love. The sound system keeps playing lover songs so sweet, yet every melody reminds me of what used to be. If love is meant to flourish, honesty must lead the way. For a heart built upon truth will never fade away. The tears I've cried have taught me how to stand tall, and if love is real, it won't fear the truth at all. No more shadows standing between you and me. No more secrets hiding where love should be. If your heart has wandered, set my spirit free. No more shadows, let the truth come to me. Let the one drop of rhythm wash away the disguise, bringing every hidden feeling into the light. Sweet harmonies remind me of my worth inside, and give me strength enough to face whatever I find. No matter how the story ends, I'll keep my dignity and pride, because a love that's built on truth will always survive. No more shadows standing between you and me. No more secrets hiding where love should be. The truth may change tomorrow, but tonight I clearly see. No more shadows clouding me. No more shadows underneath the stars above. Only honesty can nurture lasting love with every reggae heartbeat and every melody. No more shadows, I choose to be free.
me clarity.
Hanging softly in a sky of velvet blue, and every little star reminds me somehow of you. The gentle breeze is whispering a melody so sweet, while the rhythm of my heart moves to a reggae beat. Every moment that we share feels precious and divine, like a treasure sent from heaven that I'm blessed to call mine. Your smile can light the darkest night and chase the clouds away, bringing warmth into my world with every passing day. And when you hold me close tonight, like a dream that's finally come true. My heart belongs to you, and only you alone. You're the sweetest love I've ever known.
and true. My heart belongs to you. My heart belongs to you. My heart belongs to you. Forever strong and true. Like a melody that never fades. My heart belongs to you.
The evening sun is fading, painting colors in the sky, and we're walking hand in hand while the world passes by. No need for grand promises or castles made of gold. The love we share together is worth more than wealth untold. The music softly echoes from the sound system nearby, and every little glance from you still catches my eye. In a world that's always changing, one thing remains true. The happiest moments of my life are spent with you. No need to rush tomorrow, no need to chase the stars. Everything feels perfect, just the way we are. Just the way we are. Let's keep this feeling strong, dancing to the rhythm where our hearts belong. With every sweet embrace and every melody, just the way we are is where I wanna be. Just the way we are, beneath the moonlit skies, seeing all the beauty reflected in your eyes. With every reggae heartbeat and every harmony, just the way we are feels like destiny. Oh, yeah. The warm bassline is rolling like the waves upon the shore, and every day I spend with you makes me love you more. Your laughter is a blessing that brightens every day, like sunshine through the clouds that gently lights the way. No matter what the future may decide to bring, as long as we're together I can face anything. The simple things we share become treasures over time, a love that's growing stronger with every passing line. No need for endless wishes, no need for fancy dreams. Everything I need is right here with me, just the way we are. Let's keep this feeling strong, dancing to the rhythm where our hearts belong. With every sweet embrace and every melody, just the way we are is where I wanna be. Let the one drop rhythm carry us away, rocking gently through the night until the break of day. Sweet harmony surround us like a summer breeze, bringing peace and happiness with effortless ease. No storm can shake this feeling, no shadow dim this light, because true love keeps shining through every day and night. Just the way we are, forever side by side, taking every journey together with pride. With
sunlight dances softly through the window pane, bringing thoughts of you that linger sweetly once again. Every little smile you share can brighten up my day, like a gentle island breeze that carries cares away. The rhythm of your laughter is a melody so sweet, flowing through my soul in time with every reggae beat. When you hold me close, the world feels peaceful and brand new, a precious kind of magic that I only find with you. And when the stars appear above, they remind me of our love, shining brighter every day and every night. Always in my heart, never far away. You're the sweetest song that plays through every day. Wrapped in your affection, everything feels right. Always in my heart, morning, noon and night. Always in my heart, like the ocean tide, moving with the feeling I can never hide. Together we'll keep dancing beneath the moonlight sky. Always in my heart until the end of time. Warm bassline rolling softly underneath the sound, as we sway together while the music spins around. The moonlight paints a picture of a love so pure and true. Every color in my world seems bright and next to you. Through the changing seasons and the passing years ahead, the loving words you whisper stay forever in my head. No treasure could compare with what we share inside, a lasting kind of sweetness that no distance can divide. When I look into your eyes, I can see tomorrow's skies, filled with hope and happiness so clear. Always in my heart, never far away, never far away. You're the sweetest song that plays through every day, wrapped in your affection.
puts my heart at ease. Every little moment that we spend together feels like a precious treasure that could last forever. Your laughter is a rhythm that I never want to end, a sweet and tender feeling I can always depend on. And every time you hold me near, the world just disappears, leaving only love inside. Forever on my mind, every day and night. You're the sweetest dream that fills my life with light, like the moon above the ocean, shining faithfully. Forever on my mind is where you'll always be. Forever on my mind, close to my heart. No distance in this world could keep us apart. With every beat of love and every melody, forever on my mind, you'll always be. The warm bassline is rolling underneath the moonlit sky, while the lovers sway together and the hours drift by. Wrapped inside your loving arms, I feel completely free, like a song carried softly across a tranquil sea. Through every changing season and every road we take, our love keeps growing stronger with every step we make. The sweetness of your presence is a blessing from above, filling every corner of my life with endless love. When I look into your eyes, I can see tomorrow's skies filled with hope and harmony. Forever on my mind, every day and night. You're the sweetest dream that fills my life with light, like the moon above the ocean, shining faithfully. Forever on my mind is where you'll always be. Let the one-drop rhythm carry us away, rocking gently through the night until the break of day. Sweet harmonies surround us like a summer breeze, bringing peace and happiness with effortless ease. No storm can shake this feeling, no shadow dim this flame, because the love we share will always stay the same. Forever on my mind, brighter than the stars. No matter where I travel, that's where you are. With every reggae heartbeat and every sky of blue, forever on my mind, my love belongs to you. Forever on my mind, through the years ahead, holding every promise and every word we've said. With every song of love and every memory, forever on my mind, you'll always be. Forever on my mind, forever in my soul, wrapped in your sweet love. You make my spirit whole.
Shining softly through my window tonight, and memories of your smile keep dancing in the light. I
Never meant to hurt you, never meant to cause you pain. Now I'm standing here, hoping love can bloom again. The silence feels so heavy where your laughter used to be. Every corner of this room still reminds me of you and me. The rhythm keeps on playing, but my heart can't find the groove until I find a way to show how much I still love you. Every tear that falls tonight carries words I couldn't say, but my heart is reaching out, hoping you'll find your way. Give me one more chance to hold you near, one more chance to dry away your tears. Let the music bring us back to where we used to be. Give me one more chance, my love, come back to me. Give me one more chance beneath the stars above, to prove my heart is worthy of your trust and love. With every beat of reggae and every melody, give me one more chance to rewrite our story. The warm bass line is rolling through the midnight air, a gentle reminder of the love we used to share. I remember all the promises we made beneath the sky, and the dreams we built together as the years went by. No one else could ever fill the space you left behind. Your love is like a treasure that's impossible to find. So I'm sending out this message on the wings of a song, hoping you'll remember where our hearts belong. Though the road became uncertain and mistakes were made along the way, I still believe our love can find a brighter day. Give me one more chance to hold you near, one more chance to dry away your tears. Let the music bring us back to where we used to be. Give me one more chance, my love, come back to me. Oh, let the one-drop rhythm carry our hearts tonight, washing away the shadows and bringing back the light. Sweet harmony surround us as the stars begin to shine, reminding us that true love is worth a second try. No mountain is too high to climb, no river too wide to cross. When two hearts still believe in love, nothing is truly lost. Give me one more chance to hold you near, one more chance to whisper in your ear that my love is still as strong as the day it first began. Give me one more chance and take my hand. Oh, give me one more chance beneath the moonlit sky, to build a love that never has to say goodbye. Oh, with every reggae heartbeat and every melody, give me one more chance, forever, you and me. One more chance, that's all I'm asking for, to love you better than before, forevermore. You light up my world, drifts upon the ocean breeze. You bring a kind of comfort that puts my heart at ease. Every word you whisper sounds like sweet harmony, flowing through my spirit like a timeless melody. The way you hold my hand makes every burden disappear, turning ordinary moments into treasures I hold dear. And when the clouds begin to gather, you make everything seem better. With a smile that shines so bright, you light up my world with your loving touch, giving me a feeling that I cherish so much. Like a star in the evening, shining faithfully, you light up my world with your sweet love for me. You light up my world every day and night, filling every corner with your gentle light. With a heart so true and love so free, you light up my world endlessly. The bassline rolls softly underneath the moonlit sky, while the rhythm keeps us swaying as the hours drift by. Wrapped inside your loving arms, the world feels far away. Lost within a moment, I wish I could always stay. Every dream I ever dreamed feels closer now somehow, because your love surrounds me in the here and now. Like sunshine after rainfall, like flowers after spring, you bring a joyful sweetness to everything. And whenever shadows find me, your affection always guides me, leading me back to the light. You light up my world with your loving touch, giving me a feeling that I cherish so much. Like a star in the evening, shining faithfully, you light up my world with your sweet love for me. Let the music play until the break of dawn. We'll keep dancing together as the night moves on. One drop rhythm carrying our hearts away, wrapped in love and harmony every day. No matter where life leads us or how the seasons change, this feeling that we share will always remain. You light up my world with your loving touch, giving me a feeling that I cherish so much. Like a star in the evening, shining faithfully, you light up my world with your sweet love for me. You light up my world brighter than the morning sun. Through every season of life, you're my only one. With every reggae heartbeat and every sky of blue, my world keeps shining because of you. Light up my world, light up my world, light up my soul. Wrapped in your love, forever whole. stars above us shining everywhere. Your gentle touch can turn the darkest skies to blue. Every little dream I have begins and ends with you. Walking by the riverside, hand in hand we sway, listening to the heartbeat of a sweet reggae. The world may spin around us, but one thing remains true. My heart keeps singing love songs every time I think of you. And when the night falls down, you're the light that I have found, holding me so close, never letting go. Moonlight promise, shining in your eyes. Sweet devotion, glowing like the sunrise. Every beat of my heart belongs with you. Moonlight promise, forever we'll be true. Moonlight promise, dancing through the years, washing all our worries, drying all our tears. With His love we'll rise above the stormy blue. Moonlight promise, forever me and you. Oh, warm bassline rolling underneath the silver sky. Tender words between us as the hours drift by. The rhythm of your laughter keeps my spirit strong. Every little moment feels like a perfect song. Like a flower in the morning, reaching for the sun. Our love keeps growing stronger with each day that's done. No matter where the road may lead or what we journey through, the sweetest destination will always be with you. When the world gets cold, your loving arms I hold, keeping me secure, sheltering my soul. Moonlight promise, shining in your eyes. Sweet devotion, glowing like the sunrise. Every beat of my heart belongs with you. Moonlight promise, forever we'll be true. Let the music play all through the night. One drop rhythm feeling so right. Love and harmony surround us everywhere. A melody of joy floating through the air. No mountain too high, no ocean too wide. As long as you're standing right by my side, together we'll treasure every season anew. Wrapped in this blessing of love so true. Moonlight promise, shining in your eyes. Sweet devotion, your smile before me, like a star that softly glows, bringing warmth and happiness wherever it may go. The sound of distant music drifts across the moonlit sea, and every gentle rhythm pulls your memory to me. When you take my hand and hold it, all my worries disappear, leaving only sweet emotions whenever you are near. Like a melody that's flowing through the night, you fill my world with love and light. Sweetly falling deeper every day, carried by a feeling that won't fade away, wrapped inside your loving arms so tenderly. Sweetly falling, that's what you've done to me. Sweetly falling, like the summer rain, bringing joy and sunshine after every pain. With every reggae heartbeat and every harmony, sweetly falling is where I wanna be. The warm bassline is rolling underneath the stars above, keeping perfect time with this growing kind of love. Every little promise that we whisper in the dark leaves a glowing memory forever in my heart. The moonlight shines around us as we gently sway along, lost within the sweetness of a lover's song. No treasure in this world could ever mean as much to me as the simple gift of sharing your sweet company. Every moment that we spend together makes me want this love forever. Sweetly falling deeper every day, carried by a feeling that won't fade away, wrapped inside your loving arms so tenderly. Sweetly falling, that's what you've done to me. Let the one-drop rhythm guide us through the night, holding us together till the morning light. Sweet harmonies surround us like a gentle breeze, bringing peace and comfort with effortless ease. No matter where life leads us, no matter what may come, this love will keep on growing like the rising sun. Sweetly falling deeper than before, opening my heart a little more and more, with every loving glance and every melody. Sweetly falling, you're
air. The night was warm, the music softly filled the air. You held my hand and told me that you'd always care. I believed every promise that you whispered low, but there were things beneath the surface I didn't know. The moonlight painted shadows on the wall behind, while little signs of trouble slowly crossed my mind. I tried to trust the words you said so tenderly, but the truth found its way and set my heart free. I gave you all my love, I gave you all my time, but something in your smile didn't feel right. I saw the truth in your eyes tonight. No more hiding in the pale moonlight. Though it hurts to let you go, I know I'll be alright. I saw the truth in your eyes tonight. The music keeps on playing as I walk away, leaving all the broken promises behind today. With a stronger heart and a clearer view, I'm finding my way without you. The bassline rolls steady like a heartbeat strong, reminding me that healing takes a little time. The tears may fall like rain upon a summer day, but brighter skies are never very far away. The sound system is playing lovers' songs once more, and I can feel my spirit rising from the floor. Every lesson learned becomes a guiding light, leading me toward a future shining bright. No bitterness remains, no anger in my soul, just wisdom from the journey, helping me grow. I saw the truth in your eyes tonight. No more hiding in the pale moonlight. Though it hurts to let you go, I know I'll be alright. I saw the truth in your eyes tonight. Let the one-drop rhythm wash away the pain, like sunshine breaking through after the rain. Sweet harmonies remind me who I am, a heart that's still capable of loving again. The road ahead is calling, and I won't look behind, because the greatest treasure is peace of mind. I saw the truth in your eyes tonight, and somehow it has helped me find the light. What once felt like an ending is a brand new start. A stronger woman with a wiser heart. How the music keeps on playing as the stars shine bright, guiding me toward a better life tonight. With every reggae heartbeat and every melody, the truth has like the waves upon the sea. A new day is waiting